Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about character AI and how you can interact without logging in. In order to do so, here we are at character.ai, and what I can tell you is that after spending some time looking for a way to be able to interact on character AI without logging in, as far as the desktop and the iOS version goes, there doesn't appear to be a way that you can access character without signing in. Now, when you first go to the site, if you've never logged in before and you haven't signed up, then it is possible that you can interact with characters before you do. However, bear in mind that none of your chats are going to be saved, and once you sign up, once you log in, then you're not going to be able to do that anymore unless you use a fresh device that doesn't have your login information. Otherwise, it is going to prompt you to continue with Google. And so you can go ahead and do that if you want. But just bear in mind, unless you have a subscription, it doesn't appear that you can interact with character AI more than once before you're signed up or signed in. And if you do it without signing up, signing in, then you're not going to be able to save any of your chats. And that's pretty much the main restriction there. So if that's something that you want to do, you want to come and just check it out, then you can go ahead and try it out. But most likely you are going to have to log in order to be able to chat with the different bots that are on character and also save your conversations. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.